Welcome to Qualla Village, a unique 57-home community inside the gates of Conestee Falls. Today, I want to show you 43 Qualla Circle. It's a private getaway overlooking these ponds and hiking trails. And lucky for you, it's for sale. Let's take a look. This unit was designed and built in 2008. It's one of the few standalone units in Qualla Village, and as you can see, it's nestled in the trees with no neighbors in sight, giving it the ultimate privacy and serenity. This 3-bedroom, 3-bath, 2,500 square foot home has hardwood floors throughout, and in the kitchen you'll find granite countertops and stainless steel appliances. The master bedroom boasts a spacious master bath with custom tile work and his and hers walk-in closets. Most of the year, you'll probably find yourself outside on the screened-in porch listening to the sounds of the birds and the flowing creek below. On the lower level, you'll find 2 large bedrooms that share a bath and a large living space used as a family room with a wet bar. Step out the sliding doors, and you're just steps from the cascading ponds and hiking trails that lead to Lake Toccoa. As an owner in Conestee Falls, you have access to over 15 miles of pristine hiking trails, 6 waterfalls, 4 lakes totaling over 230 acres of lake frontage, an 18-hole designer golf course, pickleball, tennis, pool facilities, and multiple top-notch food and beverage options. In addition, the residents of Qualla Village enjoy private lake access with 2 boat docks, community watercraft, and the association provides scheduled maintenance services for decks, driveways, and home exteriors. If you're looking for a low-maintenance private home with access to hiking trails and the clear waters of Lake Toccoa, come see what your life could be like at 43 Qualla Circle in the mountain paradise of Conestee Falls.